Morning student. Today I will discuss about a topic Enneagram diagram. I am Dr. Das Raji, and this topic is want to know the temperature, high temperature association of metal complexes, role of temperature metal oxide. So before this starting, you have to know what is the details of it. High temperature chemical reaction. Okay. So what is this? Many metals are found as their oxides. Some are found as their sulfides, halides, and the ores directly reduced in or of the metal. General reducing agents suppose carbon, aluminium, silicon. Carbon is the most widely used reagent, can form high temperature chemical reaction. Thermodynamic consideration used to identify which reactions are spontaneous under condition. 2. Kinetic equilibrium is reached easily at such temperature. And 2, 3. Whose most chemically reducing agent and reaction condition. Criteria for spontaneity is that we know from thermodynamics that the G0 is minus RT and K. That is, we have to make minus delta G. This we have to get K is greater than 1, that is favorable reaction. Kinetics is not important as reduction are done at high temperature first. This is the thermodynamics important here. High temperature or decomposition. The G, H, temperature, and in kinetics, Kelvin, S is the engine entry. And this high temperature chemical reduction dynamics, thermodynamics consideration is that this zero value, that is the G standard valuation of this, or the formation of the metal oxide, metal to oxygen gives us two more metal oxides, and delta G is negative because oxygen is used up. Delta becomes negative because two one two one using. If the temperature is raised, delta S becomes more negative, and hence minus T delta S is more negative. Thus, the free energy change delta G0 increases with increase in temperature. But we need negative delta G0 for a spontaneous. This is our main criteria. And you can find this is a graph where lots of examples are there. Delta G is from -1 to increasing here. Uh, Here the temperature is finding this value of the delta T increasing negative to positive. Prediction of this graph is that the properties of diagram delta G is minus T delta is that all the metal oxide curves slope upwards. Negative S is delta S is negative, delta positive. If materials melt or vaporize, slope changes. Is delta S is more negative, more positive. When the curve crosses delta G, composition of side, silver, gold, mercury, begin and electropositive metals curve are at the bottom of the any metal reduce oxide of the other metals above the Ellingham diagram delta G0 more negative by an amount of equal to the difference between graph a per meter. So this property is available out from the slope finding graph. Our points are coming out of this. Next, as a reducing agent, how carbon as a reducing agent, A, B, C, D reaction are there. You can find carbon carbon dioxide is negative, carbon reaction constant, carbon with half H is on delta S is called positive. So reaction gives free energy with the temperature of the carbon as a reducing agent can be. Next, carbon or carbon monoxide as a reducing agent. You can this reaction how you can do it. When carbon is 9 below 9 in below manganese to MO line, then carbon plus a metal. When carbon below M, then carbon plus MO M. When carbon to carbon dioxide line is 9, then carbon and MO become carbon dioxide metal. So these are the reducing agent effect of the carbon monoxide with the reaction carbon as a residue. And so the gist is that we got the metal as a how it is composing or what are the effect of uh, reducing agent for the carbon dioxide and carbon. Then idea of the graph, how we can get which temperature, how we can get the details of it and normal decomposition. This is the idea of this reaction, and it gives us this diagram the details. This is a very important topic, and that the inorganic chemist, so those for the main BTech courses and bachelor degree courses, different IITs there and all of the in yeah AGC. So this is the topic. If you have any query, don't feel shy to contact me. I have a mail ID or call from college website php.net, and mail ID is 36 yahoo.in. Where I really idea or query clarification if you need or if you references. Thanks a lot for watching.